In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an item to your Weebly store inventory. If you run an online store, keeping your inventory updated is essential for providing a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and head to the official Weebly website. Click Sign In at the top right corner and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once inside, navigate to the Items section in the left-hand menu. Then select Site Items. This is where you manage all your store products. Next, choose the type of product you want to add. Weebly supports physical goods, digital downloads or services, so pick the one that fits what you're selling. Physical items are those that require shipping, while digital products can be downloads like ebooks or music files. Once your product type is selected, it's time to add the item details. Start with a clear and descriptive product name. Upload a high-quality image that accurately represents your product. Remember, visuals can heavily influence purchasing decisions. Add a compelling description that highlights the features and benefits of your item. Don't forget to include stock or inventory numbers to keep your quantities accurate. After entering all the details, click Save to add the product to your inventory. Your new item is now live and ready for purchase on your site. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a product to your Weebly store. Regularly updating your inventory ensures customers always see your latest offerings and helps keep your store organized and professional.